Let's see what are the basic tools you'll need in your toolbox to fix most of the issues with your bicycle. You'll see you don't have to spend a lot of money on your basic tools. It all starts with a set of Allen keys, plastic tire levers, a set of tube patches, spoke wrench, chain tool, T25 torx wrench for brake rotors, flattened Phillips screwdriver, adjustable spanner, freewheel remover and cassette lockring tool, cutting nippers, and a crank puller. This is the basic set of tools needed for most of the repairs on your bike. Majority of the work could be done just with an Allen key size 4, 5 and 6. In addition, you will need a decent sized pump, some kind of grease, we use white grease from Motorex, chain lube, and a brake cleaner.